Hey there, it's David Cohen, your local home loan expert. And today I wanted to address why working with a local lender is so much more important and better for your situation than working with one of these large online call center operations like a Loan Depot or Rocket Mortgage. First and foremost, by working with a local lender, you're going to gain the advantage of local knowledge. You know, these call center operations are truly just set up to churn loans. The person on the end of the phone with you, albeit a licensed loan officer, they're working on loans in all 50 states. They don't know what the numbers mean. They just populate into their system. So it's one thing for a lender to guide you through your loan program and mortgage qualifications, but it's an entirely other part of the process that's extremely important, which is making sure your numbers and figures for down payment and, more importantly, your settlement charges and closing costs are accurate. That local expertise comes in handy tremendously when it comes to transfer and recordation taxes, knowing the property tax due dates, knowing how to save money on property taxes through the homestead tax credit, for example, in Maryland. I have yet to see an estimate from one of these larger call center operations that are even close to being accurate. They don't know what they don't know. The system just feeds in the numbers and they spit back to you a rate and a payment, because that's all they're selling you is a rate and a payment. They're not going over the settlement charges. They're not explaining what they are. They probably don't even really understand what some of those charges are because they are just populated into the system for them. So that's one of the first major things, is just local knowledge, local expertise by working with a local lender. The other is also, they're local. You can reach out to them. You can find them. If you've got someone in Washington State in a call center handling your mortgage here in Maryland, for example, good luck trying to reach that person or that person's supervisor if you run into any issues or if you have questions. They are 9 to 5 workers. They are not working weekends typically. And your local loan consultant who's built their business essentially on referrals, performing and doing great work, having satisfied clients. Those are the types of people that you want to work with when you're securing a mortgage. I kind of liken it to, this is a very, very expensive and important transaction, just as it would be if you found yourself in a lawsuit. And I always ask, would you go online and try to find a out-of-state lawyer who might specialize in your area, but their fees are cheaper, so it seems like it'd be better to go with them? Or would you want to work with somebody local, a local attorney to represent you that you can sit, talk with, answer questions with, get a hold of them nights, evenings, weekends? There's just a lot to be said for that I think gets overlooked. So those are just a few of the great reasons why it's so important to work with a local lender. If you have any other specific questions, you know how to reach me. Don't hesitate. Have a great day.